The Benning Bocholt 10018-278 or the E110-272G48/5667 bwru-pdt is a rack mount 48 volts of direct current power supply, which can be used for a variety of purposes, but we believe this is for a telecom application for the U.S. Space Force. We received this module from the U.S. Space Force for a complete rebuild, which we performed and then completed a full test of the module before returning it to service. This module came in very dead with a shorted power factor circuit, which we repaired and then went beyond and fully rebuilt the rest of the supply. As shown, we powered up the modules and loaded it at 100% of its expected full load without any issue or voltage drop. ERD is a repair company that has a cage code and has performed work for the U.S. Armed Forces since the 1990s. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.